In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a price on Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each pricing option means, and how to save a clear, professional-looking price for your course so students can enroll with confidence. First, sign in to your Teachable admin area. Make sure you're in the correct school if you manage more than one. From your admin dashboard, open the course you want to price. You can set pricing whether your course is published yet or still being built, so don't worry if you're not live. Inside your course, navigate to the Pricing tab. This is the central place where all pricing plans for that course live, and it's what controls what students see at checkout. If you've added plans before, you'll see them listed here. Otherwise, you'll be starting fresh. Click Add Pricing Plan. Teachable will ask you to choose a pricing type. Free makes the course available at no cost and is useful for lead magnets or introductory content. One-time purchase charges students a single upfront fee, which is great for a straightforward pay-once enrollment. Payment plan allows students to pay in installments over time, making higher prices more accessible while still giving you predictable payouts. Subscription is recurring billing, ideal for memberships or ongoing programs where students get continuous value. Pick the one that best matches your course model and audience. Next, enter your price details. Set your price, keeping in mind that Teachable typically enforces a minimum, often around $0.99 or your currency equivalent. Choose your currency based on where most of your students are, or the currency your business operates in. Keeping currency consistent across your school reduces checkout confusion. Then add a name for the plan. This label appears on the checkout page, so make it clear and student-friendly. Think full course access, pay over 3 months, or monthly membership. A clear name helps students instantly understand what they're purchasing. When everything looks good, click Save to set the price. You should see the new plan listed on the Pricing tab. If you have existing plans, ensure the one you want featured is easy to identify by its name and price. Consider reviewing how the plan appears on your course sales page or checkout to confirm the details read the way you intend. Clear pricing and naming reduce last-minute hesitation and support higher conversions. That's it. You've logged in, opened your course, gone to the Pricing tab, added a pricing plan, selected the type, filled in the price, currency, and name, and saved it. You're now ready to share your course with the right pricing model for your students.